Welcome to this Hatha Yoga class. In this practice, we will focus on releasing neck pain and gently strengthening the neck. Unroll your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Bring your right hand to the left side of your body and gently let your head fall towards your left shoulder. Feel the stretch along the side of your neck all the way to the trapezius. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly turn your gaze down towards the floor or towards your shoulder. Feel how the stretch depends in your neck and upper shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your head back to center. Let's repeat on the other side. Bring your left hand to the right side of your body and gently drop your head towards your right shoulder. Pause here. Keep breathing and staying in this side. Slowly turn your gaze down towards the floor. Keep breathing freely as you stretch your neck and trapezius. Slowly return your head to center. Now gently lower your head forward, bringing your chin to your chest. Very soft. Simply let the head drop and stretch the back of the neck and the cervical spine. Come back up and move into a tabletop position. From here, we begin cat and cow. Inhale, cow pose, open the chest. Exhale, cat pose, rounding the spine. Again, inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Now let's move the whole body, staying on hands and knees. Begin to make gentle circles with your body, stretching the wrist and knees, moving to one side and then the other side. Now, still moving between cat and cow, make a slow circles with the entire body, creating a deep stretch through the back, neck, arms, and hips. Move to one side, then change direction. Now come into a plank position and move into a side plank. You may lower one knee to the floor or keep both legs extended. Lift your top arm up and turn your gaze towards the sky. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Lower your left knee to the mat. Gently arch your back. Extend your arm. Open the chest and look up. Keep breathing. Hold the posture. Lower your arm back to the mat. Let's repeat it on the other side. Remember, you can lower your right knee or keep both legs extended. Lift your arm and look up. Pause and keep breathing. Now lower your right knee, reach your arm over your head, open your chest, and look to the sky. Inhale and exhale. Bring both hands back to the mat. Return to plank. Then lower your knees. Open your knees wide. Bring your feet together and sink your hips back. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe. Child's pose. Relax your whole body. Come back to tabletop. From here, we'll do a gentle spinal twist. Slide your left arm under your right arm. Lengthen the spine. Stretch your arms. Relax your head and your neck. And keep breathing. Press into your right hand and come back up. Repeat on the other side. Now, slide your right arm under your left arm. Stretch both arms. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Press into your left hand and return to tabletop. Walk your hands slightly forward and lower your chest towards the mat. You don't need to touch the mat, just lengthen the spine and the neck. Stay here and breathe deeply. Slowly come back up, lift your hips, and move into a downward facing dog. Let your neck relax in down dog. Lengthen the spine, stretch the calves. With your left hand, gently hold your right tight on your right ankle, creating a soft spinal twist. Keep breathing and return to downward facing dog. Now with your right hand, hold your left leg or left ankle. Pause here, inhale and exhale. Come back to plank, lower your hips, lower your knees, and return to child's pose. Knees wide, feet together, rest your forehead on the mat and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up and sit down. You may cross your legs or keep them extended. Begin to gently move your neck from side to side. Make slow circles in one direction, then circles in the other direction. Allow the whole body to fully relax. Thank you for practicing with me today. May you have a calm and peaceful day or night. See you in the next video.